Good morning, students. So, today I'm going to direct an assignment on the chapter name from hunting, gathering to growing food. Here are the few questions in our assignment. Now, let us find the answers. So, the first question is name the things that we brought from the Syria. So, the answer is flint. Now the second question is in which country Cattle Huyuk is located? So Cattle Huyuk is located in Turkey. So the answer is Turkey. Now the third question is in France, name the animals that are painting bright colors were found in caves. So the answer is wild horses, aurochs, so bison, woolly, rhinoceros, and bear. So these are the animals. Now we'll write the answers here. So the answer is wild horses, aurochs. So wild horses, aurochs, bison, right? Woolly. So wild horses, aurochs, bison, woolly, rhinoceros, bear, right, and reindeer. So now the fourth question is in which places several burials have been found? The answer is Mehergarh. Now fifth question is why peoples buried with animals like goat? So the answer is to serve as a food after death. The answer is to serve as food after death. So now the sixth question is give one feature of houses in Mehergarh. So in Mehergarh houses will be in the structure of square and rectangular. So the answer is square and rectangular. Now the seventh question is name some important sites where archaeologists found of farmers and herders. So the answer is northwest, which is present day Kashmir, northeast and south India. Northwest, in present day it is Kashmir, and northeast and south India. Now the eighth question is why people using pots? So the people using pots mostly for preparation of food like rice, wheat and lentils, etc. So the answer is for cooking food like food grains like rice, wheat and lentils. So these are the important diet in today's life, right? Cool. Now the ninth question is Mehergarh is considered to be place where men and women to grow dash and dash. So the answer is for growing barley and wheat. The answer ninth question answer is to grow barley and wheat. Now, now the 10th question is, even today dash and dash are using for grinding grains. So answer is mortars and pestles. So answer is mortars and pestles.